Yesterday, I bought a second jar of tomato sauce. I forgot that I already had one in the cupboard. That's what happens when you try to do everything by memory. Today, I'm giving you a three-zone system so you never lose track of a paper, a receipt, or a dollar in your business again. Just as a quick heads up, I'm getting over a cold, so if my voice sounds a little different, that's why. I learned the hard way that I need organization in my life. And it's a lesson that just keeps repeating itself. I was in the grocery store yesterday and I was looking for something quick for dinner. I couldn't remember if I had any tomato sauce at home, so I bought another container to go with the pasta. I was working on impulse and instinct instead of using my systems. This happens in business too. If I'm not paying close attention, it's so easy to buy another software subscription when I have a tool that does the same job. Same problem, just a bigger price tag than a jar of sauce. The fix for your business is to create easy to access places to store your financial paperwork so you always know exactly where to look instead of guessing. Today, I'm going to show you three zones for your business finances. Think of it like an organized kitchen. Everything has its place, so you're never digging around wondering where something went. Once you set these up, you'll always know where something lives. No complicated software required, just cupboards, drawers, and a counter. Zone 1 is your cupboards. Just like you put your cups and your plates in one place in your kitchen, you need one place for everything related to the money coming into your business. This is all the ways that your business makes money. Every invoice you send, every deposit that hits your account, every sale you make, and every payment confirmation you receive. Here's the rule for this zone. Once money is coming in, it goes in the cupboard and it stays there. You're not sorting it by client or month or by anything fancy. You just need one place where if you're wondering whether, did I get paid for that job? You can answer that question in less than a minute. For me, all my income comes in electronically. So I have a folder in my email system where every sales notification lands the moment it happens. If you get paid by cash or check, it's the same idea, only a physical version. One folder or one envelope, one spot where that deposit slip or receipt goes the second you have it. It doesn't matter what the cupboard looks like. It matters that you have an easy place to access everything that comes in. Zone 2 is your drawers. Just like you put your silverware and utensils in the drawers, we need a place for the money that's going out of our business. Bills, receipts, and statements, anything that you paid for. I like thinking about this storage like drawers because I separate my silverware and my cooking utensils into different drawers. You'll want to do the same thing with your expenses, so it's easier to find what you're looking for. For example, in my email system, I keep an electronic folder for each vendor since I don't have 100 of them. But sometimes I make in-person purchases, so I have a folder where I can put paper receipts and statement. It doesn't matter if your drawers are digital folders or a paper tray. What matters is that every type of expense has its own drawer. So you are never digging through everything just to find that one receipt. One more habit worth building into this zone is to download your bank statement and your credit card statement and save them in their own drawers. Don't wait until tax time to go hunting for them online because some banks only let you go back so far before those statements disappear. This takes a few minutes each month, and it means that you'll never be scrambling to find a statement from 8 months ago when you actually need it. Zone 3 is your counter. This is where you'll see what's happened in your business until now and what's about to happen over the next 30 days. You'll be able to do this by creating a reporting system based on all the financial information you've collected and stored. This is the difference between guessing how your business is doing and actually knowing. No more wondering if you can afford something. No more surprises at tax time. A clear answer whenever you want one. When you're ready to learn how to build those reports, I have some tools that can help you. Check out this video called The Only Three Numbers That Matter. That will teach you how to set up the reports that will show you what's expected to happen in the next 30 days. To set up an easy to use system for figuring out what has already been happening in your business, get my 60-minute business snapshot. It walks you through each step in business language and gives you templates you need so you can see last month's numbers in 60 minutes or less. By taking these steps to get your documents organized now, before you're ready to create your reports, you're building a foundation that will serve you for years to come. Once your cupboards and drawers are organized, everything those reports need is already sitting right there waiting for you. No digging for a receipt, no hunting down a statement. You'll be able to jump right into the work instead of getting distracted looking for what you need. So where do you start? You start by taking one action that will lead to the next one. Work on the cupboards. Create a home for all the ways money comes into your business, your income. Then you can move to creating a home for all the ways money leaves your business, your expenses. That organization will be the basis of your bookkeeping system. And if you keep taking action, you'll keep yourself from buying more tomato sauce than you need. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can keep the momentum going and master your business money. In the meantime, be sure to shield your profits, and I'll see you next week.